morning, children. Let's start our class. Okay, children. Today I am going to start chapter 4 exponents and powers. Our chapter 1 and chapter 2 are completed. And chapter 3 is about the construction of quadrilaterals. So it is hard to, it is somewhat difficult to do in online classes. That's why I am excluding that chapter and I am starting chapter 4. Okay. Whenever our schools are open, I will explain the chapter. Okay, now I am going to start chapter 4, exponents and powers. Here, exponents and powers means the power is increased by times. The power is increased by times. For example, if any number having a power or exponent, if any number having a power or exponent, for example, I am taking the number 1. So I am taking the number 1. I am writing the power as 2. So I am writing the power as 2. This means 1 power 2. 1 power 2 or 1 raised to the power of 2. Okay. So the value of this is 1 into 2. 1 into 1. The meaning. How can we answer this is we have to multiply the number with the same number. Here 1 into 1 power 2 means we have to write 2 ones and we have to multiply them. Okay. 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now like that I am writing 2 square. 2 power 2. 2 power 2 equal to, I am writing it as 2 into 2. Here 2 is there. That's why I am writing 2 into 2 2 times. 2 into 2 2 times. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Like that 3 square means 3 is here. That's why I am writing 3 into 3. 3 here. I am writing 2 times. Okay. So 3 3s are 9. Like that we have to take, for example, if the power is 3, we have to multiply it 3 times. We have to multiply it 3 times by the same number. If the power is 5, we have to multiply the same number up to 5 times. The meaning of the power is we have to increase the number by times. We have to increase the number. We have to multiply the number by times. Okay. So the meaning. Okay, we can spell it as 10 raised to the power 9. Okay, in this the 10 is called base. The 10 is called base in this type of numbers. Means if any number having powers, the number which is in place of this number is called base, and this number is called exponent. Okay, exponent means here what is the base? Base is equal to 2 and power is equal to 1. Power is equal to 5. Power or exponent, we take it a power or exponent. Okay, we can call it as a power or also exponent. Now what is the use of these exponents and powers? What is the use of this exponent and powers? Exponents and powers are used to write in the shortest form. Used to write a number in its shortest form. For example, if you take the estimated diameter of the sun is, if you see it is very large number to spell. Means ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakhs, 10 lakhs, crores, 10 crores, 100 crores. Means 140 crore meters. 140 crores meters. If you want to write this, it takes this much of space. Okay, this much of space. So for this type of numbers, we are used to, for this type of numbers we can write these numbers as shortest forms by using exponents and powers. Okay, exponents and powers. How can we write this? See here. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 zeros. 8 zeros. So I am writing these 8 zeros as 10 power 8. 10 power 8 means we have to multiply 10 up to 10 8 times like this. Okay, 10 into 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 10. This is the meaning of 10 power 8. If you multiply 10 up to 8 times, so we got the answer as this one. So here 14 is there. So multiply with 14 we get this number means 140 crores we get. So 1.14 14 into 10 power 8 meters. So it takes less space, and we can also spell it very easily. If you see 14 into 10 power 8 meters, if you see this, we can count ones, tens, hundreds like, okay. So it takes much time. So that's why we can now write these numbers, largest numbers in simplest forms by using exponents and powers. So we can also write this in 1.4 into 10 power 9 meters. This is the standard form. This is the standard form. Okay, this is the standard form of the diameter of the sun. Okay, children. Now see here, 14 into 10 power 8 I am writing now. 1.4 into 10 power 9. How can we write is, see here, first of all 14 into 10 power 8 is there. That's why 14 into 10 power 8. So I want to add another 0 here, means we have to divide and multiply with 10. 10 cancel, we have nothing to. So that's why I am writing 10 into 10. If you multiply this into 10 into 10, now we got 14 by 10 into 10 power 9. We are adding another 0 here. We are adding another 0 here. That's why the power is increased to 1. Now 14 by 10 equal to 1.4. 1.4 into 10 power 9. Okay, children? And also something I have to say. Okay, see here. If the numbers are in 10 power 2 into 10 power 3, we can add these numbers directly and we can write same case. Okay, 10 power 5 like that. Okay, okay, children. This is all about positive powers, means that if you take powers 3, 5 or 9, 8 or see here 5, these are called positive powers, means we have base and exponent is a positive number and exponent is a positive number. So what about negative numbers? What about if exponents are negative numbers? If exponents are negative numbers, we have to reduce the original value by 10th. By 10th means, see here, 10 power minus 2. 10 power minus 2, you can write it as 1 by 10 square, means 1 by 10 into 10, 100. Okay. So here negative power means we have to take it, we have to remove this minus symbol and write it as by 100. Okay, we have to write it in denominator like this 10 square. Here positive power. Now if you expand this, 10 into 10 is equal to 1 by 100. Okay, so in this negative exponents, if you reduce the power by 1, if you reduce the power by 1, the value decreases by 1 by 10th. See here, for example, I am taking an example 10 cube. 10 cube means what? 10 into 10 into 10 means 10 times are 100, 100 into 10, 1000. So here I am reducing this value by 1. I am reducing the power exponent by 1. So it becomes 10 square. It becomes 10 square. Okay. Now 100 by 1000 by 10. If you reduce power up to 1, if you reduce power by 1, then the original value can divide original value with 10. So 0 cancel, we get 100 as the answer. 10 square equal to 100. Okay, okay, children. Okay, see here, these are the homework problems for you, and we can go deep in this lesson in tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow I will explain deeply how can we solve this, how can we solve the problems, and the remaining formulas also we can deal with tomorrow. And see here, 3 square. I am giving 3. So here 3 power 2. 3 power 2. So we can write this 3 power 2 as 3 into 3 means we can find 3 3s are 9. So like this, find the values, remaining values. And see here, 4 power 4 means 4 into 4 into 4 into 4. Now multiply. 4 4s are 16. 16 4s are 64. 64 into 4, 216. Like that, multiply and write the remaining answers. Okay, carefully. Okay, children, do these problems as homework. Okay, bye. Thank you. See you in next class.